Welcome to Just Spooling Around Block 10. I'm Nancy McNally. Today we're going to make the Ohio star block. We're going to focus on creating the quarter square triangles. To make a quarter square triangle, you're going to take your square, your green square, your light green square, and your black squares that are all the same size, and you're going to cut them on both diagonals. Next, you're going to lay them out so that your shapes, your triangles, are laid out in this formation right here. We're going to take our light green, we're going to lay it on top of our dark green, and we're going to sew a 1/4 inch seam along this line, along this side. Repeat the process with the other two triangles, the green and the black. Sew your 1/4 inch seam along this side right here. You're going to press towards your darker green. Oftentimes when I am joining quarter square triangle units, I put a pin in the side that I need to sew so that I don't switch it and have to rip seams. Next step, we want to join our halves of our quarter square triangle together and make sure your seams are nesting. Press your seams open, trim to correct size, and repeat the process to make a total of 4 quarter square triangles. Next step, we will pull the block together. Lay out your block pieces in the order so that your black from a quarter square triangles is on the outside. All 4 need to be on the outside, and your light green will point towards the center square. Now we're going to join. We're going to join in our rows, and then we'll join the rows all together to make the block. Once you do that, you're going to press your seams, your row seams open. So you'll press your seams here towards your black squares, row 1 and row 3, and then in the center, you'll press your seam toward the yellow center. Once you've completely joined the block, you're going to press the center seams here, you're going to press them open. Once you piece your block, don't forget, trim it to the correct size, just in case you have any like loose fibers. Just trim it off some uneven sides. Next step, we will join our 2 side pieces and then our top and bottom. And then after that, you're going to join. You're going to add your side framing to the left and right. See if I can fit this in here. There we go. And then the top and bottom of your spools. Hopefully you already have all those tops and bottoms completed. Okay, let me get mine sewn. All right, my next step is to add the side framing, the light pieces. And there it is. Block number 10 is done. And that is some really cool fabric. I used that black. So, all right, stay tuned for next week's Block 11. Hope you're having a great day. Happy quilting.